of fun creations, and much more. You can visit the factory and you create everything, or the park, or the forest. But everything is here for you. You can explore the world in 1 second. But watch out, there are many surprises. So, come to our little island and have fun.